and redness and whiteness. Why are you doing Sarah and my Angry Bird that Judy made today? Oh my God, Judy made my Angry Bird, so let's show me. Wait. So some of these pictures of my new baby brother. Hope you watch the milk. I'm ready about the milk. And here's my biscuit daddy, ready. This Angry Bird's really freaking awesome. Whoa. Oh, I'm an Angry Bird. Yeah! I don't want to get a sun. I don't want to get a freaking sun. Bring it on, son. Bring it on, son. Bring it on. So, I remember this is new, I guess. Old. I think it's old or new. No. What is it? Whoa! He's being like a monster. Monster. I'm a monster. I'm a monster. I'm a monster. Do every time, but Sika Puka Nina Huga Sika Puka Nina. Okay. Who's that? My Angry Bird. So I'm gonna make more Angry Birds or more TV videos. Hey, look at my arm. It's standing like that. Wow, my arm is like this. Yeah, I'm so tired. I just want to do it for fun. I just like a puppet. Hi, I'm a mustache. I'm stupid. Like I'm stupid like mother. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, that's enough laughing today. So like bang bang, chugga bang bang, walking with who are airy pretty bitch. That's the song I want. This song is it's a real song. Don't say that to my busket's mom. It sucks. That sucks. That song. Sorry. Should I go back, please? I don't like a buskets. It's so stupid and fat. So we goes down to a chocolate boot from yesterday. So hope you watch Wild Blocks. Roblox. I think that's the right one. Roblox. Roblox. That sucks. I really want to play Minecraft on Roblox. Oh my God. Let me watch B-Hat. No, that's okay. It's like that. This, that, and this. Wow, it's like this. Oh, that. It sucks again. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks. What? Word. Just word. It's just like freaking word. World. World. Just kidding, I just wanted to do it for fun. You should check creepy cut. In my eyes, it sucks again. No. Oh my God, I'm saying that sucks again. But thanks for watching. Go watch next video with your face by see you. Subscribe and talk darkness and redness and whiteness.